This video will serve to orient the new user to AutoCAD with relative coordinates. Relative coordinates have the same concept as absolute coordinates. They're both Cartesian-based systems using an x-axis and a y-axis. On the x-axis, numbers increase as you're moving to the right and decrease as you're moving to the left. On the y-axis, numbers increase as you're moving up and decrease as you're moving down. The difference with relative coordinates is that the origin is not stationary at the intersection of those 2 points, but moves to the previous point. So if I was going to draw this figure on the screen, I would temporarily move the origin to the previous point. We do that with the @ symbol. I will now demonstrate how to draw this using relative coordinates. I'm going to use the line command, and it asks me to specify the first point. Now I don't remember what the previous point was that I typed in or picked with my mouse, so I'm going to use an absolute coordinate to start with. In this case, 1, 1. Press enter. But now from here, I know that my previous point is 1, 1. So rather than having to type in 5, 1, what I can do is tell it a relative coordinate. By typing @ I tell the computer to move the origin to the previous point. From there, I'm going to go 4 units in the x and 0 units in the y. Notice that my line now is drawn to 5, 1. I got that because 5 in the x value minus 1 in the x value is 4, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So basically, it's the change in x followed by the change in y. To go to this second point up here, I would do the same thing. I would say @ which now moves the origin to that previous point that I selected. Tell it the change in x, which in this case is 0, followed by the change in y, which is 2. The change in x is 0 because notice that the x value here, 5, and the x value here is the same, 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. However, 3 minus 1 is 2. So in this case, I have @ from the previous point, 0 and 0 change in the x, followed by 2 change in the y. Enter draws that line. Now to move back over here to this point, it's the same thing. It's still @ which again moves the origin to this previous point here, but now I'm moving to the left. So 1 minus 5 is -4. Remember, moving to the right is positive, but moving to the left is negative. So I would say -4 is my change in x, comma, my change in y is 0, because 3 minus 3 is 0. So I would type 0, enter. And then to get to this bottom point down here, I would say @ which means from the previous point. I tell it my change in x. Again, the change in x here is 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. But my change in y is 1 minus 3. Because I'm going down, it's a -2. Pardon me. At 0 in the x, comma, -2 in the y. Enter draws that segment. If I want to draw the final line here, which is that diagonal, I tell it the change in x and the change in y. So I say @ so now again I'm saying move the origin to that previous point, which is that point right there. And then how much is my change in x? In this case, it's 4, and my change in y is 2. Again, 5 minus 1 is 4, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Press enter to draw that diagonal. I can get out of the line command by either pressing escape or enter. This concludes the orientation for relative coordinates in the AutoCAD program.